You are watching this because you want to know what the absolute best note-taking app is, once and for all. Notion, or Obsidian. But almost everything you've been told about these apps is wrong. There is no such thing as the best app. There are just two completely different types of human brains. I forced myself to use Notion for a month, and then Obsidian for a month. Today, I'm going to show you which app your brain is naturally wired for, so you never have to switch apps again. Before we look at a single feature, we have to talk about how your brain naturally works. Notion is built for the planner. If your brain loves sorting things into neat little boxes, making checklists, and having a perfectly labeled place for everything, that's Notion. It's the ultimate digital filing cabinet. Obsidian, on the other hand, is built for the thinker. It doesn't care about folders. Instead, it lets you link your notes together the exact same way your brain naturally links memories and thoughts. It's not a filing cabinet. It is a digital mind map. Let's start with Notion. Opening it feels like walking into the world's best stationery store. It is beautiful, and you can build planners and calendars that look absolutely perfect. But before you start building your dream dashboard, you need to know about the massive trap hiding inside. It's so much fun to customize that you end up spending more time organizing your life than actually living it. You're basically just playing house. Plus, everything lives on the internet. If your Wi-Fi drops or their servers have a hiccup, you are locked out of your own notes. Then there's Obsidian. When you first open it up on your desktop, it just gives you a blank black screen. Honestly, it is pretty intimidating. There are no fancy templates to hold your hand. But here's the magic. As you type, you can easily link one note to another with just a few keystrokes. After a few weeks, you click one button and visually see a web of all your ideas connected together. And the absolute best part, your thoughts belong to you, not a server in California. It saves directly to your computer's hard drive. No internet required. It is completely private and lightning fast every single time. So, which one should you choose? Don't try to use both at the same time. It will just give you a headache. Here is the easiest way to decide. If you want a beautiful all-in-one life planner, or if you need to plan projects with other people, your brain needs Notion. But if you are a student, a writer, or someone who just wants a fast, completely private place to dump your thoughts and watch them grow safely, your brain needs Obsidian. I've put links to my favorite, super easy beginner setups for both of them in the description below, so you can get started right now. But I want to hear from you. Based on this video, is your brain wired as a planner or a thinker? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.